a little bit of a struggle to pull all of it through, but I am loving this hair so far. I've been eyeing this hair since June. Okay, so basically what you want to do, you're gonna take your latch hook, place it under your braid, make sure it's closed when you place it through, put the hair on the latch hook, close it, pull it through, and then what I do is I'm gonna take this part right here. I tried to do that curly part, it don't work. Close the latch hook and then pull it through, and then make sure you pull all the hair through. Okay, once you got all the hair pulled through, you just knot it, and there you go. So I was gonna just place it on there and open it with my finger, but it doesn't open wide enough to do that. So I mean, it's no biggie. Then we repeat again, pull it through, close it, open it, place it on there, and then there we go. Pull it all the way through, and bam, there we go. So I'm gonna finish up with the back, and then I'll come back when I get more towards the front. It's your girl Alicia Jones. We're back again with another video. In today's video, you guys just literally saw me install this hair. Now I have been eyeing this hair, like I said earlier in the video, since June. This is the hair, and this is the Expression Boho Wet and Wavy Vibe box braid. This is in 24 inches. It's 3X, and I got it in the color number 2. I used 5 packs. Now it's a lot of people that don't be watching the video, or they don't check the description box. They'll be like, how many packs? And I'll be like, oh my goodness, did I not say it in the video, or did I not post it in the description box? So y'all always check the description box. I always tell y'all, I didn't used to back in the day, but I always tell y'all now how many packs I use, the length, the color. And I want to say this was like, is the receipt in there? It was like $13 and some change, but with tax, $14 a pack, y'all. So keep that in mind when you get this hair. So this is 100% premium fiber synthetic hair, and I don't feel like sitting for hours to get this style. I definitely don't want to pay $500 or $1,000 for this style. So keep that in mind too. This is quick, easy. I want to do something different for my birthday. My birthday is Friday, so I wanted to just try a different style. So y'all know how I do my braiding. I do my braiding, I do a couple plaits in the front, and then in the back I do a zigzag method. If your hair is on the thinner side, I definitely recommend that you do the zigzag method. Do not do straight backs. Don't do it, because I got these big gaps. The hair is big enough that it covers them if I do a side part, but a middle part I ain't gonna be able to wear. That's that. And the other thing I gotta say is this hair, it's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair. And I feel like maybe if I would have did the zigzag method, I wouldn't have had to use as much hair. So yeah, let me show y'all exactly how much hair. Look at this. Let me stand back. This is a lot of hair. So if I was gonna take this on a beach vacation, I would hate it because I would be hot as hell. See, I'm gonna have to like shape it up, cut it. It's just way too much hair for me, and I'm probably not gonna keep it in that long. It's probably literally only gonna be a birthday style, because this is a lot of hair. Okay, it's so much hair. And it's a synthetic hair, so I don't know how braiding it and dipping it would do. So yeah, if y'all want to see a review on this hair, let me know. I'm gonna try to get this video out and up today, but if y'all want to see a video review on this hair to see if you need to purchase it or not, I'm going to definitely do a review before I take it. I think I might just do it anyway. I'm gonna do a review before I take this hair down. But I love it. I love the like light wave. It doesn't feel heavy right now in this state, but when I put it up in a bun to take a shower, it was a little bit way down. So keep that in mind too as well. But that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. If y'all have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down in the description box. I love answering y'all questions. But yeah, this is what the curl looks like up close. So yeah, and I will see you guys in the next video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealed.